Welcome to the Mr. International Workout Challenge. You want to be known as Mr. International? Then you're going to have to work for it. And I'm going to show you how. Now, first step, you got to get yourself a partner for this one, especially because of some of the exercises. And if you're going to do an international workout, you got to get an international workout partner. So we're here in the US, but this is Hatsola Hatunen from Helsinki, Finland. Sure. And we're going to go through this together. So, first exercise of the Mr. International Workout Challenge, Romanian deadlifts, of course, from Romania, but with a twist, you're going to be doing them with German volume training from Germany. And here's how it works. You're going to do 10 sets of 10 with approximately 60% of your max. After each set, you get 1 minute rest. And man, if you're not feeling it after that one, don't worry, because we got a lot more for you in this workout. So, if you're going to do German volume, you're only allowed to count in German, also known as auf Deutsch. 1, 2, 3. This is the last set of 10 in the German volume training with the Romanian deadlift in the Mr. International Workout Challenge. So, are you going to be the next Mr. International? I don't know if it's easy for you so far getting through this, but don't worry. Wait till the next exercise, it gets even tougher.